morning, everyone! So today is Wednesday, February 5, 2025. Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, Jakarta. So, right now, I'm having my quick brunch. Kasi medyo late na nagising. And then after this, I'm going to take a bath. Mag-aayos na ako because we're going out at 2 p.m. We have to attend a class this afternoon. And of course, you're coming with me. Let's see kung anong gagawin namin today. And then after that, I don't know what are the other plans or agendas namin ngayong araw. So, you'll be with me. This is our day 4 here in Jakarta. I'm so sorry, I was so tired last night, kaya I needed a good rest kasi kailangan namin magbawi talaga ng energy today. Sobrang pagod kagabi. So ayun, join me again today as we attend our class and you'll see kung anong bago namin mag-discover here in Jakarta. See you guys! Hi everyone! We're already here at Naraya Hotel. So we're just waiting for the others kasi nakatulog sila before mag-prepare. Pagod daw. So we're just waiting for them and then sabay-sabay na kami papasok. This is at Hillary and just there. Sama namin yung aming mga student buddies. So pagdating nila, papasok na kami. Then, proceed na kami sa class. There they are. There they are. Ayan sila. So, be right back, guys.
Hello.
Say hi to our vlog. Yeah, sige.
Okay, now this is the pedicure.
We're done with our class today.
I'm the mayor.
Hi, Mayor! Yes.
Both straight.
Hi, everyone! Done with our class today. Oh, what's up, Mayor?
New rules, new laws, new everything, new buildings.
Wow!
Now,
It's like
kami ay
touchless.
bababa na.
Touchless pala yun. Pero ang
Weh?
lang na ito.
Na isang araw nakakaiginanyan ko talaga siya. Oh. Diniinit ko pa nga. Halika mo tayo magtabi. Super sabog. Ano ko naman, guys? Actually, Ate Rose late. See, sasabog na kaming tatlo.
Where are we going, Paro?
You're not badoy.
We're going to the moon. Nah, I'm just kidding. So,
Hi, everyone!
You're counting parents!
Where's
I'm not to talk!
I'm so sorry. So now, dahil tapos na kami sa aming class, wala na kaming gagawin. It's our free time. Pupunta raw kami sa international office. So, feeling namin mag-walk kami hanggang doon. Hot. Panas. Philippines. So here, they have this martabak. Where's the price list? Can't see it here. But we already tried this once and it tastes actually good. So good. They told us that it's best at night. So we're going to buy it now as our midnight snack because for sure we'll be busy editing some of our videos from the past activities we had from like yesterday. So yeah, there they are, buying coffee. Talagang panay-panay ang coffee ng taong yan. Hindi na natigil kakakape. And as much as I want to have coffee tonight, I can't because it might trigger yung aking pagiging acidic. So we'll just wait for the martabak. Hello everyone! So we're still outside. Hindi pa kami nakaka-uwi kasi galing na naman kami sa grocery. We decided to buy a few stuff again. Actually, mahirap talaga pala siya kompletuhin. Especially when you stay sa dorm. So, to those na living alone sa dorm nila, grabe. Paano nyo kinakaya yan? So, yun. May mga binili lang kami. We're buying coffee. Panay talaga ang kape ni Ate Hilary. Buti na lang talaga. Hindi ako makrave ng kape ngayon kasi baka matrigger yung aking acid. Pero I miss caramel macchiato and matcha so much. So after this, uuwi na kami. Then we'll have dinner sa dorm. I think we'll be meeting the others as well pagting namin doon. Pero baka kumain muna kami sa kanya-kanya naming room. Kasi medyo pagod na rin and gutom. So yes. I'll get on you guys back later. Bye! Hi everyone! Good morning! So, today our agenda is to attend our language class, but I think we're having a little change of plans today. There's Ate Larry. So pretty. So, I think we'll be doing something else today. Sabi nila, we're going to finish editing and then we'll start doing our lesson plans today. So, ayun, we're on our way to Campus B. Nag-aayos na lang kami and waiting for the others. Tapos alis na kami, we're going to take the bus today. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how the bus looks like here. Super nabubulol na ang tao, nahihirapan na ako But anyways, yan, nag-prepare nga ako. Ay, okay, bakit yung bed ko? Kasi medyo makala. I'm just going to show you my outfit today. Looks so cute. I'm wearing a skirt. Oh my gosh, ang taas. Like, that one. Wearing a skirt. So, I'm going to update you guys later kung ano at nasaan na kami. So, yeah. I'll be right back, guys. Say hi! Hi! Papunta na kami sa okay. I hope it won't rain today because I'm wearing a white skirt. Ang haba nito. There are the others. We're going to take the bus. Yay! Hi guys, so we're just doing our vlogs, editing, and started with our lesson plans. Say hi to Sha. She's busy. The others are also editing, I guess. So after this, we'll just go and have our lunch. And then we're gonna stay in our dorm I think gagawa kami ng ibang task namin. So yeah, it's currently 12:08 noon. I'll update you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog last night because we were so tired. Actually, we had our things transferred to new furniture such as the cabinet, and there's a new table for our room. That's why hindi na ako nakapag-vlog last night. We were so busy, we were so tired. I cooked dinner and yeah, we talked about a few things for today. Because today's agenda is our class observation, meeting our supervisor, and our department visit. So I'll be visiting the language arts department today with my two buddies, Tigana and Tanti. I'm still waiting for them here at Naraya Hotel. I'm here at Naraya Hotel. The others have a different campus or location. So I think Ate Hillary stayed at Campus B, and then the others, they will go to Campus B. Some are already here. They were a little earlier than my schedule. It's like 9 a.m. And I have my schedule at 10:30 a.m. Supposedly 11, but they informed me that we will start a little earlier. So, yeah. Actually, medyo kinakabahan ako today because I will meet my supervisor and I think she will check my lesson plan, but I'm praying. I'm really praying for guidance, and I think kaya ko naman today. Kaya natin to, guys. So, come with me as our teaching journey here in Jakarta begins today. See you guys later.
Let's try.
Oh my god, I'm so excited!
Thank you.
Let's see. First bite of Tijana. First bite, hold on. Please bear with me. Okay. Just thank you for waiting. It's almost there. Hold on.
It's alright.
Or we just like do it like this.
Yeah, you can do it like that.
Food flow there.
Hey! Amazing! Duar! Approve. So
She
much.
loves it.
Yeah, I like it. Amazing. Make this with rice cooker. Actually.
Loves it. How about you, Sinta? Yeah, they love it.
So good.
Approve. They like our adobo. Yeah. Ate Shari is not with us today. She went to the laundry.